Full Throttle Motorsports has been serving the greater Lansing, Michigan, and surrounding communities since 1996. Our professional sales, service, and parts staff occupy a superstore conveniently located at Exit 98B, off I-96. Our staff has earned Full Throttle Motorsports a reputation as a premier powersports dealer selling motorcycles, ATVs, utility vehicles, snowmobiles, and personal watercraft. We feature best-selling brands and models like Polaris, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Kaio, KTM, Victory Motorcycles, and others. Our extensive selection of parts and accessories from the highest quality manufacturers ensures that our customers will get the most enjoyment and performance from their vehicles. We are equipped to handle all their powersports needs for the lifetime of their vehicles. We are a customer experience-focused organization. Our focus on customer service is just beginning when you shop and buy from us. Our business has been built and grown from the belief and practice that the customer and ownership experience is most important, and a long-term, often lifetime relationship benefits our business and riders alike. To meet the needs of our customers, we assemble teams of like-minded individuals with a passion for powersports and a genuine drive for customer satisfaction. The teams that make and keep Full Throttle Motorsports moving are our sales, service, business, office, and support staff. Some you may be familiar with, others maybe not so much, so let us introduce you to them. Service and parts, accessories and clothing. Service and parts, accessories and clothing, or PAC sales, are just as important as the vehicle sale. If the ownership experience begins with the sale, then the service and parts, accessory and clothing departments are often the teams that help maintain and improve that great experience. Our factory-certified technicians aim to get our family of owners fixed or adjusted quickly and back on the road, trail, or water. The goal of our parts and service department is to remain the leader in maintenance and repair, and our accessories and clothing department work to improve our riders' journey. Communication in the service, parts, accessories, and clothing department is key. Asking the right questions to help identify customer issues and opportunities and find the best solutions is our goal. Making expert recommendations so that customers have the opportunity for the best experience is what sets us apart from the competition. Answering questions, offering tips, scheduling services, and providing those services in the most timely manner possible is our way. We are a trusted source for thousands of riders all across the area. We take pride in our responsibility, and our customers appreciate the services we provide. Sales. Having a team of dedicated and knowledgeable product specialists is essential to help our customers become owners who have the best riding experience possible. To make this possible, our product specialists acquire an extensive knowledge of our many makes and models for our product lines to ensure our customers find the vehicle that best meets their wants, needs, and uses. They become professionals at customer service in person, on the phone, and online. Meeting the customer where the customer is most comfortable. Building trust and rapport by providing top-notch customer service and information, while being genuinely curious and caring about how the customer will use our products. And by offering solutions that maximize customer value. Once a relationship is established, our product specialists maintain that relationship by regularly following up with owners for the life of their vehicle. Behind-the-scenes heroes. Our commitment to customer satisfaction isn't limited to the walk-in customers. Our e-commerce team helps facilitate meeting our customers' needs online, where they can order parts, accessories, and clothing 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Creating engaging listings, sourcing inventory, updating inventory counts, timely order fulfillment, and handling customer inquiries and issues make our e-commerce specialists stand out. The e-commerce segment is steadily growing, and our commitment to our customers' needs is relentless. Finance and business managers. It wouldn't be possible to satisfy our customers' needs for vehicles without having someone to help secure financing, process and ensure the accuracy of purchase documents, and facilitate securing financing from lending institutions, filing purchases with our title clerks and office managers, while offering products and services that support the best ownership experience possible. Part banker, part warranty and product specialist, and part contract and paperwork expert. Deals simply couldn't get done without our skilled finance and business managers. Back office and support staff. Besides our customer-facing roles, we also have several important players that help make our mission possible. Our title and office manager helps handle paperwork filing with the state and lenders and keeps our vehicle inventory updated and accurate. Our porters and delivery drivers help handle the constant influx and outflow of vehicles on a daily basis. Our porters are busy moving, fueling, and detailing vehicles for service or display on the showroom floor, or getting them ready for delivery to customers. And our truck drivers are indispensable for getting inventory from local dealerships, picking up or delivering customer units that are serviced, or taking a customer a new vehicle that they've purchased and are eagerly awaiting its arrival. In closing, we hope you have a good understanding of the remarkable people that make up our many teams at Full Throttle Motorsports. As you embark on this journey with us, you're not just joining a team, you're becoming a vital part of a community united by a shared passion for power sports and service. Our commitment to excellence, customer satisfaction, and unwavering support sets us apart. From our dedicated sales and service teams to the behind-the-scenes heroes who ensure seamless operations, each role plays a crucial role in creating remarkable experiences for our customers. As we continue to fuel the dreams of riders across the region, remember that your dedication, expertise, and enthusiasm contribute to the legacy of Full Throttle Motorsports. Let's rev up together, embracing the challenges and triumphs that lie ahead. We're excited to have you on board and can't wait to see the incredible impact you'll make. Get ready to embrace the thrill of living life wide open and at full throttle.